tell me that you understand it. Don't tell me that I'm too demanding. I need you to show me you're taking this too slowly. Don't tell me that you're what I need, no. I believe that when I see so. Time for you to show me. Hush your lips, stop your
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sunshine, and today this is episode 8 of the Freightliner Classic XL, and we are working on the part that we have been dragging our feet to do for the longest, and that is the floor, removing these floor plates from the floor of the Classic. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have done so far. This to us has been the most challenging part of this truck, because everything else, even though sometimes it can take time, this has been just so hard to do. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what we've done so far. So this is the plate, the other plate that we've been working on. We got our welding gloves, our grinder, circular grinder, and if you look, these bolts right here are so hard to take off. What we've been doing is, especially this one in a corner, as you can see, we struggled to get that one off. We got 2 of them off where you can punch straight through, and we have 3 more to remove. We got to remove these 2 bolts, as well as the one that's over here that was not removed for whatever reason. I don't know how he got the plate off and completely missed the bolt, but that's what we're doing. And then we have to get this center circle metal piece right here off so that we can remove the complete flooring. I'm gonna show you guys later on in the video the flooring that I have for this truck. I'm so ready to get the floors done. I feel like it's the next step before we do anything. And of course, I still gotta put the bottom end of the dash areas in. So I'm trying to get stuff moving along. So keep watching, you guys. Yeah, today I got over my fears of being scared of the grinder, and I successfully, well, not being scared of the grinder, but being scared of the sparks that comes out of the grinder, and I successfully removed that plate. Now the problem is I got another bolt that I have to remove on the floor, and then I got the shifter bolts that are completely grinded out, so I have to grind those bolts off. So I have 3 more bolts that I have to face my fears with and get off. And the problem is they're so close to up under the closer to the dash, so that's why I'm kind of not too in a rush to do that. So, but I definitely got over my fears of the flames. I went and purchased me some welding gloves, which I had some before, but they got soaking wet, so I went and bought some more, and I did feel some of the flames, but it's really not that bad. It's like somebody's lightly burning you a little bit. So I feel like I've been through enough in life. I can take that. So I'm about to take a break and work on those last 3 bolts, and this piece of rubber is coming up out of this freaking truck. Stay tuned. Do y'all see that sweat on my face? This is the face of the woman who just overcame her fears of using the grinder and cutting off the big bolts to the seat plates in this freaking truck. It is currently 91 degrees out here, and I couldn't set the video up because I didn't want to burn my phone up, but there were flames and sparks, not flames, sparks everywhere. So I got all the plates off of the floor. Now I just got 2 bolts that are stripped on the shifter. I got 2 bolts that are stripped on the shifter that I gotta move and see if I can cut with the grinder, which I'm kind of scared because it's right up under all this extra dash stuff. And then after that, the only thing that's keeping this floor down, attached, keeping this floor rubber down, is the seat belts. And guess what, you guys? Those bolts are pretty much in there as well. So what I might do to get a better, I'm gonna just cut the water, not the water, see, that grinder got me all over the place. I'm gonna cut the rubber around everywhere except for the seat belt part, and then I'm going to probably have to cut that bolt too. I don't know why everything is so challenging, but that's what you're dealing with when you're working with a 1999, well, I would say 2000 Freightliner, older model trucks. More than likely, these bolts have been on the truck since the truck has been manufactured. So everything more than likely has to be cut off. But that's what I'm working on today, y'all. I feel like I have overcame a very challenging moment in this project. So stay posted, you guys. Well, you guys, it looks like I got the other 2 bolts out. I want to show you guys what I got so far. Hold on a second. So there was this thing right here. I had to cut that out. The only thing I gotta do now is I can pretty much lift this up, but these seat belts are in there. So I have to figure out how I'm going to get those bolts out because they are really in there. But the great news is I feel like I got something done. So I think I'm going to pause and take a break on this for today because it is super hot outside. So I'm going to close this door and pretty much wrap this project up for today.